Here's how to check Yahoo Mail storage. First, what you need to do is to sign in to your Yahoo Mail account. Or you can just go ahead and go to www.yahoo.com and sign in your official account. Once already you're on the account, what you need to do is go to the upper right of your Yahoo and click on the gear icon which says Settings. Once you're already on the settings, scroll down until you see there the More Settings option. After clicking on the More Settings option, what you need to do is look to the lower left of your screen, wherein you will see there the storage. And then, once you have already seen the storage, you can now finally manage your Yahoo storage by just looking at it on More Settings option.